Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this delicious, simple, and veggie-packed jollof rice. So for this jollof rice, I used canned tomatoes, tomato puree, tomato paste, garlic, green chili, sweet pepper, salt, coconut oil, habanero pepper, parsley, water, sweet corn, onions, smoked paprika, dried oregano, dried basil, my own spice mix, and jasmine rice. Start with cutting the onions, green chili, and sweet pepper. Blend the red onions, garlic, habanero, canned tomatoes, and smoked paprika. Heat the coconut oil in a pot over medium heat and add the sweet onions and cook until they become translucent. Add tomato paste, mix it with the onions and cook it for another 5 minutes. Add the pureed veggies and tomato puree. So here I'm adding salt and dried spices, and feel free to use any spice mix you like. Add the sweet pepper, chili pepper, and corn. Mix it with the sauce. And add the rice. Mix it with the sauce. So at this point, I tasted the sauce and I decided to add more oregano. So always stop and taste and see if you like where the dish is going. Lower the heat and allow the rice to steam. There are different ways to steam the rice. You could just put the lid on it. You can also cover the pot with aluminum foil and put the lid on it to trap the heat inside. You can also use parchment paper to do the same like I'm doing here. And last but not least, you can use a clean towel to trap the heat. Use a fork to fluff out the rice every 8 to 10 minutes until it's done. And last but definitely not least, add the chopped parsley. For another delicious vegan jollof rice recipe, check out this video, and for more vegan recipes, check out this playlist. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.